Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Anita Desai's great work and great award with question answer. So let's start from question number 1. These are some important books. So Diamond and Dust Other Story written by Anita Desai in 2000 and The Artist of Disappearance written in 2011 and The Journey to Ithaca written in 1995 and The Voices in the City written in 1965. Next question. Anita Desai is a short story writer, novelist, children's author, and options are screenwriter, professor, dramatist, director, producer. So correct answer option A, screenwriter and professor also. Next question. When was Anita Desai born? Options 1938, 1940, 1937, 1935. Correct answer option C, 1937 in Missouri. Next, Anita Desai Mazumdar, born 24th June 1937, Missouri. At present, she is 83 years old. Period 1963. So, genre fiction, occupation screenwriter, professor, writer, and novelist. Nationality Indian, alma mater University of Delhi. Spouse Ashwin Desai, also author. Children for children, including Kiran Desai, won a Booker Prize in field of literature also. Next question. What is the name of Anita's spouse? Options Anant Desai, Anand Desai, Asim Desai, Ashwin Desai. So correct answer option D, Ashwin Desai. Next question. At what age Anita started writing prose? Option 5 years, 7 years, 8 years, 12 years. Correct answer at the age of 7 years she started writing prose. Which of the following is not a partition novel? Options Train to Pakistan, Sunlight on a Broken Column, The Shadow Line, In Custody. Correct answer option D, In Custody is not a partition novel. Train to Pakistan written by Khushwant Singh, The Shadow Line written by Amitabh Ghosh. In Custody published in 1984 and the shortlisted for the Booker Prize in 1984 also. Belong to genre fiction, language English. Main characters Devan, Noor, Murad and the Sarla. Murad is the Devan's friend and the Noor is the great Urdu poet. So the story span between the period of 1980s to 1999, the time when the customs and the attitude were changing in India. Next question. Which novel of Anita Desai was adapted for the filmography? Options The Peacock Garden, Cat on a Houseboat, In Custody, Fire on the Mountain. Correct answer In Custody for adapted for the filmography 1984. Next question. What did Anita Desai receive for the Best Indian Feature Film of 1994? Options President of India Gold Medal, National Film Award, Filmfare Award, Zee Cine Award. So correct answer option A, President of India Gold Medal. Next question. Which is the first story written by Anita Desai? Options Circus Cat and Alley Cat, Diamond Dust and Other Stories, Games at Twilight, The Peacock Garden. Correct answer option number A, Circus Cat and Alley Cat. Published in 1957. Next, these are some notable work. Cry of the Peacock 1963, The Voices in the City 1965, Bye Bye Blackbird, The Where Shall We Go This Summer, The Fire on the Mountain, Clear Light of the Day, In the Custody. These are notable awards shortlisted for the Booker Prize also. So Journey to Ithaca, The Fasting and Feasting, Diamond Dust and Other Story, The Zigzag Way published in 2004. So these are some notable work, so keep in mind. Next question. Anita's first autobiographical work. Options The Village by the Sea, The Clear Light of the Day, In Custody, Games at Twilight. So correct answer option number B, The Clear Light of the Day. It is an autobiographical work. So Clear Light of the Day published in 1980. Clear Light of the Day shortlisted for the Booker Prize in 1980. Publication date 1980, all same. The domestic fiction and the autobiographical genre English language. So main character Bimla Das, Mishra sisters Jaya and Sarla, and Jaya and Sarla are the neighbor of the Das family. Mishra brothers, three Mishra brothers are lazy and unemployed. So Hyder Ali in the landlord of Das house. So setting of the play in the old Delhi, the story describes the tensions in the post-partition Indian family. Next question. Clear Light of Day is a story of three families, Das, Misra and options. The Suleiman family, Hyder family, Sharma family, Dhillon family. So you already know about option B, Hyder family. Next question. Write about the setting place. Setting place options Old Delhi, Mumbai, the Calcutta and Madras. So correct answer option number A, Old Delhi. Next question. Clear Light of the Day divided into how many sections? 4, 5, 6 and 7. So divided into 4 sections. Next question. Which novel brought her international fame? Options are A Cat on a Houseboat, The Village by the Sea, Fire on the Mountain, Diamond Dust and Other Stories. Correct answer option C, The Fire on the Mountain, published in 1977 and shortlisted also for Booker Prize and Sahitya Academy Award won in 1978. Next, awarded the Sahitya Academy Award, published in 1977, belong to genre domestic, language English, main characters Nanda Cole, recluse woman, Raka the Nanda's granddaughter, the Ila Das, friend of Nanda, Preet Singh kills and rapes Ila when she protests against child marriage. So mainly deals with the subject of solitude, existentialism and oppression of the females in the Indian patriarchal society. Next question. Nanda Cole is a character from which work of Anita Desai? Options Clear Light of Day, Games at Twilight, Peacock Garden, Fire on the Mountain. So correct answer option D, Fire on the Mountain. Next, who protested against the child marriage and got killed? Fire on the Mountain. Raka, Ila, Nanda, Preet Singh. So correct answer Ila. Ila protested against the child marriage. Next question. What is the name of Raka's mother? Options Nanda, Asha, Ila and Tara. Correct answer option D, Tara. Next question. The story of the Fire on the Mountain divided into total parts. Options 4, 5, 6 and 3. So correct answer divided into 3 parts. Next question. Anita talks about declining in the Urdu language in which of her work? Options The Zigzag Way, The Fasting Feasting, Baumgartner's Bombay, In Custody. So correct answer In Custody. She is talking about the declining of the Urdu language. Which is the debut novel of Anita Desai? Options The Peacock Garden, Cry the Peacock, Where Shall We Go This Summer, The Voices in the City. Correct answer option B, Cry the Peacock is a debut novel. Published in 1963, belong to genre psychological dilemma, language English, main character Maya is the protagonist and Gautam her husband and he is advocate. Maya is a sensitive woman, the suffering from the neurotic fears and marital disharmony. The marriage of the Maya with Gautam leads to the tragic tone of the Cry the Peacock. Next question. How Maya ended her life? Options drowning in the pool, hanging, jumping from balcony, shooting herself. So correct answer option C, jumping from the balcony. Next question. What was Gautam's profession? Options lawyer, accountant, clerk, businessman. So correct answer option A, lawyer.